Hello, welcome back to Garden Style channel. Today's topic is how to grow herbs indoor for year ago freshness. You want to enjoy fresh herbs all year long, right from your kitchen. Growing herbs indoor is easier than you think. And today we are exploring the top 10 herbs you can grow indoor to elevate your cooking and boost your health no matter the season. First herb is basil. Basil thrives indoor when give at least 6 hours of sunlight and warm temperature. Keep the soil moisture and pinch out the top regular enough brushy growth. Perfect for a pasta, pizza and flash salad. Second herb is parsley. Parsley loves bright indirect light and slightly moisture soil. You can grow it from seed or by the small plant. It is rich in vitamin and add freshness to your soup, sauces and garnish. Third herb is mint. Mint, one of the easiest herbs to grow indoor. It prefers indirect sunlight and damp soil. Keep it in a private pot because it spreads aggressively. Ideal for a tea, smoothies and cocktails. Fourth herb is chives. Chives grow beautifully indoor and need 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Water when the top soil feels dry. This mild onion flavor, green and great for a salad, omelets and baked potatoes. Fifth, rosemary. Rosemary loves dry light and dry soil conditions. Water only when the soil is dry to the touch. Use it for roasted, minced potato, even the homemade breads. Sixth herb is thyme. Thyme prefers bright sunlight and well-drained soil. It doesn't like to be overwatered. This fragrant herb is perfect for soup, stews, and seasoning meats. Let's talk about 7 herbs. Cilantro. Cilantro grows best in the cooler indoor conditions with indirect light. Keep the soil moisture and harvest frequently for the best flavor. Great for salsas, tacos, and goodies. 8th herb is oregano. Oregano thrives in bright light and slightly dry oil. Lets it dry out between watering. Perfect for Italian dishes, pizza topping, and marinades. 9th herb sage. Sage likes lots of light and low humidity. Avoid overwatering and lets the soil dry slightly before watering. Great for the seasonal meat, butter sauce and holiday dishes. Last herb but not least, dill. Dill prefers cooler temperature and indirect light. Keep the soil moisture and not soggy. Use it for pickling, salads and fish dips. These are the 10 herbs. You can start your indoor herbs garden today and enjoy fresh flavor year around. Which herbs will you grow first? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more gardening tips. Thank you.